This is an updated video on the microlink hair extensions informative video. I explained about the microlinks, what they were, many different kinds, what type of beads to use, or tools, different things. So I wanted to come and do an updated video because I've been getting some questions about three main things. We're gonna edit that part out, okay? So I've been getting the same three questions a lot about the microlink hair extension. So the first question is it a protective style? That answer is no. Now, most people may say that it is a protective style, but to me it's not, because to me, when I think about a protective style, it's actually putting your hair away where it's not being touched, no heat is being used to it, it's just there. Now with the microlinks, your hair is out, meaning your hair is not put up. So it's like your hair, the extensions, your hair, the extensions. So your hair is out with the extensions. Your hair is not put up. So to ask me, is it a protective style? My answer is no, it's not a protective style. Now, number two, the second question that I get is there's so many different names. So what name goes with what term? Is it different? Is it the same? Is it a different technique, a different beat? Like, what is with the different names and the different style, the different techniques, sorry. So you got the microlink hair extensions, which is what the microlink is actually, it's not a link. I would say it links your hair and extension together, but it's a bead. So it's a micro bead, which I have some here. This is brown and this is blonde. They're beads with silicone in the inside of them. There's a brown one. There's a blonde one. They also make like black and different types of blonde. The micro link is a micro bead with a silicone in the inside, where you put the bead on your hair and then you put the extension and you close it, and you do that like in a row, like a checkerboard style or a chessboard style way, so you can make your hair full. Now you also have the braidless sew-in, which you also use the micro link or the micro bead, and you install a weft or a track that looks like this onto your hair. And what you do first is you put all the beads on first and you close them, and then you take this with a needle and thread and you sew through the bead instead of a braid. And that is a the micro braided sew-in or the braidless sew-in. Another technique that they call is like cold and hot fusions. So the hot fusions is with the individuals as well, but it's with a glue, and you bond it, you heat it, and you roll it and bond it, and it's like a strand by strand, just like the checkerboard style again. I don't like those because I don't like the glue, I don't like the braids, I don't like the chemicals. The cold fusions is the micro beads. So it's with the micro beads put on it's the exact same way, just like a different term. They call it hot and cold or so. You also have different kinds of beads. You may find some that have, it's called like the micro loop, which I looked at some of them and I don't think they have the silicone inside. So I'll let you know what I'm talking about. You see how this micro, can you see it? It has that little clear thingy in the inside. Well, that clear thing in the inside is a silicone. I don't think that silicone comes in the inside of that bead. It's like a little longer tube, and it's a little bit thinner, where it can't be seen. Not that the micro beads can be seen either, but it's just, instead of when you close it, it turns into like a rectangle. When you close a micro loop, it kind of does just straight. It's kind of like an illusion of the hot fusions, just with the micro bead instead of the heater. Number three. So the third thing that I get a lot of questions about is the fact of who can get microlink hair extensions. Now, a general answer to that is anybody who has hair, right, can get these. But the more in-depth answer would be, how can I word this correctly? Let's see. It depends on the person. You got some people who, they got 8 inches of hair and they want 18 inches of hair. And it's like, it's not realistic. Like, your hair is not going to blend as well. So the question to who can get microlink hair extensions? Anyone can. The second question needs to be is, how do they want their microlinks? Do you want your microlinks to look natural? Which is usually the reason why people get microlink hair extensions is because it looks natural. Whether if you have 8 inches, you want a 14 or you want a 12, you want to add a little bit more length to your hair, a little bit more volume, whereas that your hair can blend with it. Because remind you, the extensions is in between your hair. So if you have 18 inches of hair and your hair is 8 inches, in between that is about to be like specks of your hair. And it's about to be like, you can blend it. Now, I'm going to say this. If you do want really long hair and you have 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, whatever length of hair, it's best that your hair is dark. Now, someone who has 10 inches and they want 18 inches and their hair is black or brown, you can blend that a little, you can blend that a little bit better. Now, blonde and red and all these other colors, it's real hard to try and to blend those because of the fact that it's so light. So as soon as the sun hit it, it's like your hair extension, it's noticeable. It's not natural looking, okay, ladies? It's not natural looking. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section, or you can email them to me. My email is in my about page. Thank you for watching. Until next time.